Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to today's press conference. We have with us Mr. Virat Kohli, captain of the Indian cricket team. This is a pre-match, pre-series press conference. We will be taking questions about the upcoming match starting tomorrow and the series. And please do not turn on your camera. And if you wish to ask a question, please raise hand. The press conference will last roughly for 15 minutes. Yes, Vishesh Roy.
Hi Virat. I just wanted to ask, with Shubman Gill injured and Mayank Agarwal also being ruled out due to concussion, do you think your opening combination is a bit cause to worry? And have you narrowed down who would open alongside Rohit?
We'll announce the 11 tomorrow before we go to toss, so you can know who's opening with Rohit then. But yeah, we are absolutely fine and happy with where we're placed.
Shamik Chakravarti.
Hi Virat. The last series, Test series in England. I mean, it was a pretty even contest, and India lost maybe just one session and 1.5 sessions, which eventually decided the outcome of the matches. Something similar happened in the World Test Championship final also that one morning. So, going into that series, is it an area you want to keep an eye on?
Yeah, of course. I mean, as a team, we look to improve the things that we haven't done well, and that is one aspect of the game we need to get better at, which is understanding when things are not going your way, how to control damage, and that's what Test cricket is all about. You have to go through situations and then eventually capitalize when things turn your way as well, because you're not going to have all sessions go your way. So when things do not favor you as a team, that's an area that we want to keep improving at. And the test matches that we've done that well, we've ended up winning. That's the kind of cricket that we have played. So we know exactly what we need to do, and now it all boils down to execution in those difficult moments.
Kushan Sarkar.
Hi Virat. My question is, since we are not getting Hardik due to injury for some considerable amount of time in test matches, like can someone like Shardul Thakur be prepared as a multi-skilled cricketer, considering what he did in Brisbane? Like, how does team management look at it, creating some options where the balance of the team is maintained? Like, how do you see it?
Yes, he definitely can be created, or he already is a multi-dimensional cricketer. And it's all about him gaining more and more confidence with performances like Brisbane. And someone like him obviously brings in a lot of balance to a test team or any other format of the game. Hardik has done so for us in the past. Right now, he's getting back on track to bowling regularly. But yeah, these kind of cricketers obviously help the team in a massive way. And Shardul is a huge prospect for us, and someone who's going to be very important for us, not just this series but moving forward as well.
Julian Gayer and then Dean Wilson.
Hello, Virat. I just wondered, you've achieved already a lot in the game. What would a series win in England mean to you in India?
Well, that's a very relative question. I've never really played for any kind of landmarks or milestones in my career. So this is, again, every game of international cricket for me has been an opportunity to test myself and my character and how mentally strong I am and how much skill level I have to be able to sustain at this level for a long period of time. And things are going to be no different in this series as well. We are going to play with the same passion, same commitment, same belief that we play every series with. And in my opinion, few series matter more than some other. I don't really believe in these things, because then you're really, picking and choosing what you want to do, and that's not being honest to the game, in my opinion. So any match that you play for your country and any series that you play is as important as any other series you play anywhere else in the world. And for us, it's all about wanting difficult cricket, wanting tough cricket, and wanting to win in conditions which are not ours. That's the only challenge that I see.
Hi, Virat. These are strange times that we're still living in, but all things considered, do you feel as though the fact that you've been in the UK for some time now, you've had that World Test Championship final, that you're in the best position to have some success here this summer, despite the situation?
Yeah, we're definitely much better prepared than we have been in the past. The situation, as you rightly said, allowed us to acclimatize and get used to the weather firstly, because it can change quite drastically and quite quickly. And at the same time, playing under different changes in conditions, in terms of weather, whether it's overcast or it's sunny, how the pitches behave, how the ball travels, how much it swings in the air. All those kind of things are definitely going to add to our experience, which already the team possesses a lot of, having played in England in the past. So yeah, but look, you can have all the experience in the world. As I said, it all boils down to execution and crunch moments, and that purely comes from belief and how badly you want to be in situations which are not easy. As long as we're looking to embrace that, we will find answers to all the questions thrown at us.
And do you like being in those situations that aren't easy?
Well, I've loved every moment of it. It's otherwise, in my opinion, you cannot play at this level for a long period of time if you're not literally wanting to be in situations which are absolutely opposite of what your comfort zone is.
Dean, do wait for your turn if you have to ask another question, please. Rory Dolan.
Virat, England haven't changed their batting lineup a great deal since the tour of India, where your bowlers were all over them really, and there was a lot of low scores. Do you feel, even though conditions have changed, that there's still a few mental sort of advantages there from the previous series?
Well, that all depends on the batsmen who are walking out, how much of scarring they carry with them when they walk out to bat. That's basically it. That's basically how I see it. I can vouch for the fact that we definitely have the ability to bowl them out on a consistent basis. That's the kind of quality that we possess, and as long as we execute our skills and our plans, then we are very confident of doing that very often in the series. If the scars are being carried or not, I'm not in a position to answer that. That honestly depends on the individual walking out to bat.
Sanjay Kishore.
Thank you.
विराट 2 महीने से आप लोग इंग्लैंड में हैं, ये कितना हेल्प करेगा? और 2018 से इस बार क्या डिफरेंस है, जो चैलेंजेस है आपके सामने?
अब जैसे मैंने बोला, हम काफ़ी टाइम से यहाँ पे हैं, तो आप एक मौसम कैसे यहाँ बहुत जल्दी बदलता है, उसके आप एक यूज्ड टू हो जाते हैं, और दूसरा आपकी बॉडी भी उस वेदर को एक्सेप्ट करने लग जाती है, उन चेंजेस को एक्सेप्ट, बहुत छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हैं जो बहुत मैटर करती हैं, तो मेंटली आप और कंफर्टेबल होते चले जाते हैं इन कंडीशंस में। तो वो तो डेफिनेटली एक फैक्टर हमको एक थोड़ा बहुत एडवांटेज आप समझ लीजिए, उस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से हमने देखा है। और दूसरा, लास्ट टूर के मुकाबले इस बार हमारे पास एक्सपीरियंस ज़्यादा है, हमारे जो यंगर प्लेयर्स थे वो अभी परफॉर्म करके दूसरी बार यहाँ पे आ रहे हैं, तो जो चीज़ें हम एग्जीक्यूट करना चाहते थे लास्ट सीरीज़ में, जो शायद हम लोग नहीं कर पाए एज अ टीम, मुझे भरोसा है कि इस बार अगर कई लोग नहीं उस सिचुएशन में सक्सेसफुल होंगे, फिर भी हमारे पास ऐसे प्लेयर्स हैं जो उस सिचुएशन को संभाल सकते हैं, अगर कई लोग फेल भी हों तो, जो कि होने वाला है। फेलियर्स सबके साथ होते हैं, लेकिन मुझे इतना भरोसा है कि कोई ना कोई हर मैच में, हर सिचुएशन में जाके बोलेगा कि हाँ, ये सिचुएशन में मैं टीम को निकाल सकता हूँ। तो ये हमारा एक बिलीफ, जो एक्सपीरियंस है, वो काफ़ी ग्रो किया है लास्ट टूर से अब तक।
रोशन त्यागराजन।
Hey Virat, you've had a rather long history with Anderson in terms of the way he's gotten you out. What do you think you will do this time around, which is different, and how do you intend on tackling him?
I'll just bat.
Rika Roy.
Hi Virat. Well, I know you are in a different time zone, but just wanted to know if you're watching any of the Indian contingent Indian performances at the Olympic Games, and anything that has really stood out for you till now.
We all have been keenly following. In Durham at breakfast, we had big screens and televisions which were always running all the Olympic events, and especially our athletes when they were performing, we were all keenly watching. The whole country and all of us included are super proud of all the medal winners and also the people who have gone far into the competition, who might not have won medals, but who have competed and given their best. So we are all very proud of them, as everyone else in the country is, and we have been keenly watching and supporting them from here.
We will have a
Thank you.
We'll have a final question in English and then a couple of questions in Hindi before we wrap up. Anuj Mishra, ANI, English, please.
Yes, Virat, do you feel there is unnecessary criticism for Pujara for his slow batting?
Yeah, I mean it's been going on for a while, and I honestly feel a player of his caliber and his experience should be left alone, and the responsibility is absolutely with the individual to figure out what are the drawbacks in his game that he needs to work on. Similarly, with me or any other player in the team, we are very responsible and aware of the things that we need to do for the benefit of the team. So, look, again, I can from the outside say that, yes, the criticism is unnecessary, but I know for a fact that Pujara does not care, and criticism is only as relevant as you want it to be. So people can say what they want to say on the outside. If they're just words at the end of the day, if you feel like they hold no value to you, just carry on walking on your path and not give attention to them.
Ravish Bisht, Vaibhav Gola, and then final one to Sunandan Lile.
Hi Virat, this is Ravish from News Nation. विराट भाई, मेरा सवाल ये है कि जब ब्रेक मिलता है इंडियन टीम को, जैसे ब्रेक मिला था WTC के बाद, तो एज ए कैप्टन ऑफ इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम क्या वाकई एक कप्तान एंजॉय कर पाता है उस ब्रेक को, या फिर दिमाग में रहता है कि 5 टेस्ट मैचेस की सीरीज खेलनी?
एज अ कैप्टन मैं तो यही बोल सकता हूँ कि सबकॉन्शियसली आपका दिमाग हमेशा चलता रहता है कि एक इतना यूज टू हो जाते हैं आप टीम की प्लानिंग के लिए ऑन अ डेली बेसिस, तो वो स्विच ऑफ करने का टाइम काफ़ी कम मिलता है. तो उस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से ये ब्रेक बहुत ज़रूरी थी, और इसलिए भी क्योंकि अभी आपने जैसे देखा बेन स्टोक्स ने ब्रेक लिया है और हम लोग करीबन 1.5 साल से अब बबल में ऑपरेट कर रहे हैं, बबल में खेल रहे हैं साल से ऊपर. तो इट्स नॉट ईजी और ऐसे ब्रेक्स काफ़ी ज़रूरी हैं मेरे ओपिनियन में. पीरियोडिकली लोगों को गेम से दूर ले जाने के लिए, उनको रिफ़्रेश करके वापस लाने के लिए, बिकॉज इन एनवायरनमेंट्स में अब इन एनी केस एक कैप्टन होना और एक टीम की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी संभालना एक काफ़ी स्ट्रेसफुल जॉब होता है. उसके अलावा अगर आप उसको एक बबल में और कन्फाइन कर दें इतने लंबे समय के लिए, तो चीज़ें और मुश्किल होती चली जाती हैं. तो आई थिंक ये पीरियोडिक ब्रेक्स बहुत ज़रूरी हैं आगे जाते हुए क्रिकेट के लिए, क्रिकेटर्स के लिए मोर इम्पॉर्टेंटली, बिकॉज अगर आपके प्लेयर्स नहीं बचेंगे खेलने के लिए तो द क्वालिटी ऑफ क्रिकेट मेंटेन करना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगा. और ऐसे जैसे उन्होंने ब्रेक लिया, ऐसे काफ़ी प्लेयर्स हैं जो फ्यूचर में एट सम स्टेज और द अदर ये बबल लाइफ से थक सकते हैं. तो हमारे लिए ब्रेक बहुत ज़रूरी था, और ये सीरीज़ के लिए प्रिपेयर करने के लिए कितना ज़रूरी था वो हमें अब समझ आ रहा है, क्योंकि हम अभी इस सीरीज़ में फिर फ्रेश जा रहे हैं, फिर एक्साइटिंग एक माइंडसेट के साथ जा रहे हैं, और हम ऑप्टिमिस्टिक हैं कि हाँ चलो अब हम 5 टेस्ट मैच तक पूरा एफर्ट दे सकते हैं और हम एक एनवायरनमेंट में कन्फाइंड नहीं है. तो आई थिंक ये छोटी चीज़ें बहुत मैटर करती हैं, और हमारे लिए ब्रेक और मेरे लिए स्पेशली एज कैप्टन भी बहुत एक ज़रूरी टाइम पे आया.
विराट भाई, वैभव गोला फ्रॉम इंडिया टीवी, सबसे पहले तो आपको इंडियन सीरीज के लिए बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. विराट, आपसे जानना चाहेंगे, जो पिछला इंग्लैंड का दौरा था बहुत अच्छा रहा था आपके लिए एज अ बैट्समैन, आपने बहुत रन बनाए थे, लेकिन आप जब भी कहीं जाते हैं तो आपसे एक्सपेक्टेशंस और ज्यादा बढ़ जाती है, सभी की निगाहें आपके ऊपर रहती है. तो क्या आपको लगता है और बेहतर होने के लिए क्या कुछ विराट और अलग करेंगे इस बार?
नहीं.
सुनंदन ले ले.
विराट कैसे हो भाई? मैं पूछना चाहता हूँ कि ये जो ब्रॉड एंडरसन जोड़ी है, बड़ी शिकारी जोड़ी है, तो वो तो सवाल पूछेंगे अच्छा बॉलिंग, कंसिस्टेंट लाइन एंड लेन बॉलिंग करके, तो ये कितना जरूरी होगा हमारे लिए कि हम भी उनको कुछ सवाल पूछे, क्योंकि जब तक ये नहीं होगा तब तक वो आइस ब्रेक नहीं होगा और हमें सफलता का रास्ता ढूंढने में मुश्किल होगी. तो ये चीज कितनी इंपॉर्टेंट रहेगी?
सर सवाल तो आएंगे, हमने पढ़ाई काफ़ी कर ली अब, तो अगर आपके पास नॉलेज होती है तो आप जवाब देके वापस सवाल दोबारा पूछ सकते हैं। तो सवाल का रिस्पांस तो आई थिंक जवाब ही कंप्लीट करता है। अगर आप सवाल को इग्नोर करेंगे तो आपका जो एक एग्ज़ाम्स का वर्कलोड होता है वो पाइल ऑन होता चला जाता है और एग्ज़ाम में फिर मुश्किल होती है। तो मेरे पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से हमने पूरी तैयारी की है और जो भी हमारी तरफ सवाल आएंगे आई एम वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट कि हम उसका एकदम एबल जवाब देंगे।
Thank you, Captain.
All the best, bye.
थैंक यू।